Let us learn how to sketch this picnic bag. Use a pencil to make the base shape. The base shape here is a rectangle. Divide it as per the different parts of the bag. Carefully give details to all the parts one at a time. Draw it very light so that it can be erased later. Be careful about the curve and straight lines to give it a 3D look. And most importantly, enjoy sketching. Give outlines with a fine marker. Start with the parts that are in front first. This will help to give proper layers. Erase the pencil lines and your sketch is ready.